In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Wrike tasks to Microsoft Excel. To get started, make sure you're already logged into your Wrike workspace in your browser. Once you're in, look toward the upper left area of the screen for your profile icon. This is usually your initials or a small avatar image. Click on that profile icon to open the main account and settings menu. This menu is where you'll find options related to your personal settings, notifications, and importantly for this tutorial, integrations. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option called Apps and Integrations and click on it. This section is Wrike's central hub for connecting your workspace with other tools. Since we want to sync tasks to Microsoft Excel, we'll be using one of Wrike's integration options here. It might take a second to load, especially if there are many available apps, so just give it a moment. Once the Apps and Integrations page is open, you'll see a gallery of different tools and services that can connect with Wrike. Scroll through the recommended section or use the search bar if one is available and locate the option called Wrike Sync. When you see Wrike Sync, click on it to open its details page. This integration is designed to keep data synchronized between Wrike and external systems, including spreadsheets like Microsoft Excel, so it's the key piece for this workflow. After clicking on Wrike Sync, you'll be guided through a series of on-screen prompts. These prompts may include granting permissions, confirming which Wrike account or workspace you want to use, and choosing or connecting the Microsoft account that's associated with your Excel files. Carefully read each step as you go, because the options you select will determine exactly which tasks, folders, or projects are synchronized. During the setup, you'll typically be asked to specify what you want to sync. For example, you may be able to choose certain projects, task statuses, or custom fields that should appear in Excel. Think about which information is most useful for reporting or analysis, and select only what you really need to keep your spreadsheet clear and manageable. Once you've followed all the prompts and confirmed the settings, Wrike Sync will finalize the connection. From there, your Wrike task will start syncing to Microsoft Excel according to the configuration you chose. You can always return to the Apps and Integrations area later if you need to adjust the sync settings